let's talk about the dynamic viewing angles. For every object, you can view it from the different angles, different height, different distance between you and the objects. When you view the objects from different angles, you actually come up with a different feeling. In this lesson, I'm going to use the piano bench as an example. This is most people they choose to draw from. They think it's easier to draw it from right in the center. This is very geometric shape. It's reflected. You see the left side and the right side reflected identical. Okay, let's draw this angle first. I'm using this 8B. Mark it the top and the bottom. Think about it and see if this is the width compared to the height. I think the height can be a little bit lower right here. This is about good. So I'm going to start drawing. A rough shape. What I'm trying to look for is between the height of the top and the width of the top. Okay, I think this is about right. And there's another shape over here, another shape on this side. And I'm going to come down from here, and there's the line coming down this way. So when you're roughly drawing it, you try to find the connection, the angle and the size, the proportion. Okay, there is a gap in the middle coming from here, from the left to the right. And now this is the leg, and there's another leg over here. It's about this much. Let's see. Okay, this is the top. Actually, this is belong to the top. And the back, the leg for the back is about only come down over here. It's about in a half from here to here, and this is about halfway. Okay, pay more attention to compare. I think this is good. And what I'm going to do now, I'm going to quickly going over the line. Okay, now I'm moving that, look, and then draw. A little bit too much coming down. Okay. Looking for the angle of the line. Then I come back to the left side. Look and then draw. A look and then draw. Look and come down a little more. And I'll come back to here, and this is about here. A little turn. Now come to the right side. Now come down here, continue, and look at this angle. Look first, and this angle. Now we straight coming down for the leg. Look for the angle of this line and keep going down here. That's good. Look again. Okay, so don't automatically draw everything without careful observation. Now, and over here it has seeing another dimension. Okay, another line we just finished, and then keep looking. Oh, the wrong direction. This is good. a very thin line in the middle. Now coming down, look again, coming down. Now we draw this lake a little smaller because in the distance. Now come to this side. Okay. Now this is very good. Now I'm going to also want to draw the part in here, have a little curved line. Here too. Okay. Ooh, I draw in the wrong place. Yeah, it's right here. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna take the shape out. Now this nitty eraser is a little bit too soft. I'm gonna use this white vinyl eraser. Now I'm gonna do okay, that's good enough. Now connect that. This is also wrong. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to start shading it really quickly. Okay, at the edge over here, have a little shading, and this part is pretty dark. And I'm going to leave the highlight. Okay, inside here a little bit darker. Just hold the pencil sideways. Okay, inside here a little bit darker. So also here I'm going to just a couple times and I can finish the shading. The inside here, this part is much darker. And I also extend this catch the shadow, looking for the angle of the shape. Like this. Now this is good. Finish drawing this bench from the frontal view. See it as a reflected shape.